You can join a FaceTime call on an Android by clicking a link sent to you by someone with an Apple device. For Android users to join a FaceTime call, they will need to have Google Chrome installed. First, someone with an Apple device needs to start the FaceTime call. To do this, you will need an iPhone running at least iOS 15, an iPad running at least iPadOS 15, or a Mac running at least macOS Monterey. The Apple user will need to open the FaceTime app, then tap Create Link. In the pop-up, select how you'd like to share the link. The method you use doesn't matter as long as the Android user receives the link. Once the Android user has the link to facetime.apple.com, they need to open it using Google Chrome. Then enter a name and tap Continue. Once joined, the Android user can tap the green Join button in the floating pop-up. You might also be required to give FaceTime permission to use the microphone and camera. The Apple user will then need to accept their request to join. Once both parties have entered the call, they'll both have options to mute themselves, show or hide their camera, leave the call, and more.